How to create a bootable Windows 11 USB drive. To create a USB media with a Windows 11 ISO file, connect a flash drive of at least 8 GB of space and use a tool like Rufus to start your laptop or desktop to install Windows 11. Go to Rufus download page. Under the download section, click the latest release and save the file. Double-click the downloaded exe file to launch the tool. Under the device section, select the USB flash drive. Under the boot selection section, click the select button on the right side. Select the Windows 11 ISO file from the folder section. Click the open button. Use the image option drop-down menu and select the standard Windows installation option. Use the partition scheme drop-down menu and select the GPT option. Use the target system drop-down menu and select UEFI option. Click the start button. Click the OK button to confirm. Click the close button. After you complete, Rufus will create a bootable USB flash drive to install Windows 11 on a laptop or computer. Hope this video helped you. For more videos, like, share and subscribe our channel.